everyone. I wanted to give you directions today on how to complete Wednesday's assignment, Mountain Food Chains. This is text time number 29. You can see that in the corner. So we did a similar activity last week. So remember, if you want to see the text bigger, you can click View and click Zoom and click a higher percentage, or you can click Zoom in, Zoom out. You can also just click on the magnifying glass right here and click on what you want to be bigger. Okay, so now that I can see it better, the first thing I'm going to do is read the text, Mountain Food Chains. If you're having trouble reading anything, you can ask someone at home to help you, mom, dad, brother, sister, aunt, uncle, grandma, grandpa, whoever you have. But I want you to try to read it on your own first, okay? So this is about Mountain Food Chain. So I'll read this text first. When I'm finished reading it, then I'm ready to show what I know and answer the questions on the side here. Whoops. So remember to click out of the magnifying glass when you're done using it. Okay. This first one says explain why the plants and animals on a mountain all depend on each other for survival. Okay. So I'll click right here in my box. I'll double click so that I get the little blinky cursor, and then I can type. Okay. The plants and animals on a mountain all depend on each other for survival because, okay. Remember to explain your thinking using information from the text. So how do you know that that fact is true? Okay. For the second part, answer T for true or F for false for each statement. So if this first one says blue sheep live in the Himalaya mountains, I'll double click again to get the cursor. If I think that's a true fact, I'm going to put a T. If I think that fact is false, I'm going to put an F and then go to the next one. Okay. For the next question, whoops, this should say number 3, but it has 2 number 4s. What does the word fragile mean in the last? What does the word fragile in the last paragraph mean? So if I were you, I would find the word in the last paragraph. It's right here. I would read the sentence with the word and try to figure out which of these is the best answer. I'll take this blue circle and drag and drop it around the answer I think is best. So if I think the best answer is A, I'll put the blue circle around A. If I think the best answer is C, I'll put the blue circle around C and leave it there. And for the last question, it says, what do you think would happen to a mountain food chain if hunters killed most of the snow leopards? So remember to restate the question. If hunters killed most of the snow leopards, I think blank. And you could tell me your opinion, what you think would happen using information from the text. Okay. If you have any questions, reach out to me on Parent Square or send me an email.